Hello friends, welcome to Pro Talent and I'm Nitin Parmar. My dear students, at this juncture, many of us are thinking about what is the real secret of success for cracking CLAT. Many of us are thinking about how to achieve more and that too in a limited time available. My dear students, Pro Talent brings to you high impact crash course for CLAT 2021. I'm sure all of you are aware about Pro Talent and all of you are aware about the kind of content we deliver to you on YouTube, and that is helping large number of people across India, whether you are sitting in Jammu Kashmir or in Kanyakumari or Arunachal Pradesh or in Gujarat, Kutch, Bhuj, okay, everywhere you find Pro Talent students are studying through this YouTube channel. Yes or no दोस्तों, ठीक है। तो इसीलिए अब आप इस पढ़ाई को और बेहतर वे में आगे बढ़ा सके, इसके लिए वी आर ब्रिंगिंग दिस क्रैश कोर्स टू यू। ठीक है, व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इन टुडेज सेशन इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग टू यू इन दिस क्रैश कोर्स। ठीक है दोस्तों, इस क्रैश कोर्स में देयर आर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ द रीजंस to join this crash course. One of the reason could be it is well structured program. Another reason could be you can say this comprises of you can say high quality content. But what are the main 6 reasons are this? First, high quality video sessions for your easy understanding. I'm sure a lot of you have joined with us on this YouTube, and through that you are watching our you can say live sessions. My dear students, apart from live sessions, we are also providing recorded modules, ठीक है, and they are also of very high quality, ठीक है, and they are also containing, you can say, a lot of nitty gritty, ठीक है. So thereby, this is what one of the big reason. Second reason that every topic, every concept, ठीक है, will be taught to you in a methodical manner, because this exam, that is your CLAT exam or AILET examinations, ठीक है, or any other law entrance examination, they are skill based examination. Yes or no? In skills, you are not only required to understand a concept, but you need to convert from one knowledge to application oriented. My dear students, Pro Talent is the only institute in the entire country which provides you this method, whether it is a Mirat method for legal reasoning or whether it is a you can say method for RC, ठीक है, आपने देखा होगा हमने मेथड दिया था, ठीक है, that is octave method, ठीक है, or whether it is logical reasoning, ठीक है, we go in a methodical manner so that anyone who doesn't have a background about a particular subject can gain lot of you can say confidence. दोस्तों, हमारी मेथड से सबसे बड़ा फायदा ये होता है कि आपका उस बैकग्राउंड के साथ नॉलेज नहीं है, कोई आइडिया नहीं है, कोई नाता नहीं है, फिर भी आप उस मेथड को समझकर बहुत अच्छी तरीके से चीजें अप्लाई करेंगे। आप अगर बाकी सब अलग अलग कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट के सेशन देखेंगे, वहां पे मेथड के बारे में बात नहीं होती है, ठीक है, वहां पे कंसेप्ट बता दिया कि देखो ये नॉलेज की वजह से ये आंसर आता है, ये नॉलेज की वजह से ये आंसर आता है। बट you can say you have to understand that knowledge is one thing and converting that knowledge you can say which is applicable, ठीक है, which is a knowledge which is applicable by everyone requires good method and Pro Talent works on it, ठीक है, Pro Talent उस चीज के ऊपर बहुत ध्यान देता है। So make sure that you are gaining those method, भले वो मिराट हो या ऑक्टेव मेथड हो या लॉजिकल रीजनिंग के इंडक्टिव और डिडक्टिव रीजनिंग के फंडामेंटल्स हो या इवन फॉर दैट मैटर करंट अफेयर के अंदर भी हम ऐसी मजेदार सी चीजें करते हैं सो दैट यू आर एबल टू रिटेन लॉट ऑफ थिंग लॉजिकली, ठीक है। एट द सेम टाइम वी बिलीव दैट व्हेन यू वॉच अ लेक्चर इट इज नॉट सफिशिएंट, यू नीड टू वॉच अ लेक्चर, ठीक है, मेक नोट्स or you can say read notes and then practice questions. So we also provide you good quality notes, and with every topic we provide you good quality practice questions. So the theme of Pro Talent is video plus notes, ठीक है, plus practice questions, ठीक है, इस तरीके से आप इसके ऊपर काम कर सकते हैं। Yes or no? At the same time, I have been talking a lot about this issue that my dear student, you can say one mock test is equivalent to 20 videos. Yes, if you want to understand this, one test is equal to 20 videos. A good quality mock test will contain, you can say, content equal to 20 videos. So make sure that you join with this course where you are going to get 45 mocks. ठीक है दोस्तों, अब क्लैट ऑब्वियस है कि अब वो डिले होने वाला है. So thereby it is a good time for you to work on this particular course, because the kind of content we are providing you, they will help you to keep yourself busy. They will help you to focus on right, you can say, factors. Okay, and it will improve your score drastically. And another important part, we are also going to give you complete support for your interview as well. Okay, so whether it is Symbiosis or any other, you can say, colleges where you have, you can say, interviews, this course will give you that support as well. So my dear students, this course is for whom? You can say the course is for everyone, any student, okay, who wish to start now from zero, or someone who has already started, someone who has already joined some coaching institute. Believe me, this course will give you newer perspective, and this newer perspective will be altogether different for your preparation. So make sure that you join this course. Okay, certain FAQs are to be discussed in today's session so that you get to know more detail about this program. दोस्तों, how much content will be covered in this module? My dear students, we are going to cover from basic level to moderate level to advanced level. ठीक है, all, you can say, 3 levels will be covered in detail, in depth, which will comprise of 500 plus video lectures, ठीक है, 15,000 plus practice questions and 45 plus mocks. ठीक है, depending upon your level. समझिए, if you are very zero and you want to start, you can go through everything. If you are not at zero, you are in the middle of it, ठीक है, you are scoring 60-70 marks, still join this course, because this course will ensure that in the shortest possible time you are going to, you can say, cross your score to 100. That is what the idea is. Okay, so dosto, we are developing that skills for cracking questions, removing all the clutter, looking at the real meaning of a question and attacking that question in a right frame of mind. ये method हम आपको सिखाते हैं दोस्तों. ठीक है, साथ में सवाल ये आता है कि सर, does this contain mock test series as well? Yes, it contains 200 plus sectional test, okay, plus 45 mock CLAT plus 18 इंस्टीट्यूट स्पेसिफिक टेस्ट. ठीक है, ये सब चीजें इसी कोर्स में इंक्लूडेड है. यस, ठीक है सर, हमें समय कितना देना पड़ेगा? माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है, इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड दैट इट इज अ मिक्स ऑफ लाइव लेक्चर plus recorded lecture. Yes or no? So certain things you are attending live, certain things you have to cover recorded mode, certain things you have to take as a note, certain things you are doing as a practice. Okay, those kind of things are being done. Sir, do I need PC or laptop for doing this course? No, you don't need it. You may possibly work with your phone as well. But if you have a PC and laptop, it is advisable. Okay, but it is really okay. We have an app available with a phone and you can start working on it. Okay, that is really possible. Okay, sir, what is the frequency of live classes? There will be 10 sessions per week. Okay, 10 sessions per week where the live classes are happening. Yes, I'm sure आप सब लोग रोज यहाँ पे live classes पे आते हैं. It has been more than a month now that we are giving this live classes. Okay, and I'm sure you must have enjoyed, you must have gained a lot of confidence. I am happy that you are gaining benefit out of it. Make sure that you convert now this, you can say, benefits to a real benefit which will put you into the NLU. ठीक है दोस्तों, कितना टाइम डिवोट करना है? 2 घंटा पर डे फॉर लाइव लेक्चर, 4 hours ऑफ डेली टारगेट, जो 2 घंटा पढ़ाई करी उसके ऊपर एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए 4 घंटा, प्लस 2 घंटा कंसेप्चुअल लेक्चर्स करने जो ऑलरेडी रिकॉर्डेड अवेलेबल है आपके पास. And this recorded module are module for this year, fresh, they are developed this year only. ठीक है, so they are wonderful stuff. Sir, what is the price for this course? Then अच्छा तो लग रहा है सर, इतना सारा कंटेंट आप देने वाले हैं तो शायद आप बहुत महंगा प्राइस रखे होंगे. ना जी भैया, it is not very costly. It is available at only 7,499. videos, notes, test series, everything at this price. दोस्तों, ठीक है, you can't expect such a huge quantity of material, ठीक है, at such a low price for CLAT. Make sure that you gain this maximum. ठीक है, आप इसको लीजिए और ज्यादा से ज्यादा उसका बेनिफिट लीजिए दोस्तों. ठीक है, और साथ में ये भी मैं आपको बता दूं, वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग यू विल रिक्वायर नाउ इज कंप्लीट रिवीजन. ठीक है, स्पेशली ऑफ करंट अफेयर. दोस्तों, करंट अफेयर के रिवीजन में वी आर ब्रिंगिंग exclusive content for you, and this content is available only for you, that is paid students, and not going to provide this revision module on YouTube. They are not going to come from this year onwards. They are going to be there exclusively for the paid students, and we are known for such kind of current affair where more than, you can say, 90% questions in CLAT, AILET, MHCT, symbiosis are being asked from the content we provide, the questions we provide. Make sure that you join with us. Yes or no? There are high quality videos as well. In the revision, it is not just a PDF we are providing video as well as PDF, so that certain concepts are not known to you. You can very well watch that. Yes or no? And there will be high quality MCQs also. So my dear students, what are you waiting for? Come and join ProTalent and make sure that you achieve the score, ever more score than whatever you have dreamt about, and that too in a limited time. How do you purchase? You can purchase this course by a given description here in the video. वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में हमने ये लिंक डाली हुई है, आप वहां से परचेज कर सकते हैं, and that is, you can say, available at 7499, and this is definitely a discounted price. Make sure that you gain it. Okay, it is going to increase, the prices are going to rise. Make sure that you are going to get it very soon. Okay, thank you for listening to me, and come and join this course. Together we are going to crack this CLAT with flying colors. Yes, all the best.